Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a squishy collection. This is a real deal squishy collection. Basket, and I'm sorry if I sound sick because I really am. And this is a Saturday. I'm sorry. Let's get started. So here are all my squishies. They're already blown off. So some of these are like really squishy, but they have some defects. So let's get started. First one is this really big one. And this one is as big as my palm. And this one, here are the defects. It's cracked a little right there, and it cracked. So that's all. That's all right now. So, yeah. Next one is this heart bun. These are really slow rising. It's just a thing that they really get defected easily, as you can see. I'm sorry. First, and then next is this capybara swan. It looks like a capybara swan one. And I'll squish it from the side. And then here's are the defects. No defects there. No defects there. And a little mess up right there. It looks like it has eyelashes, and this one does. Okay, this one has to be my favorite, but it has a little defect. It is so slow rising and so soft, you don't know. But they drew a cat face because it's supposed to go like this. And it has no defects. It's a little cracked on the eye, but can't really see. Next is this really cute macaroon that is like one of my top threes. It's cracked. The eye is back. Next is this. I don't know what this is, but I don't know what that is either. So yeah, good straight up there. I know I'm squishing it wrong, but next is this cream puff. I'm so sorry, but I'm a little bit sick right now. And then next is this pig. I don't know what happened, but like looks like it has like ish. And it's really defected, as you can see without me spreading it out, that the cheeks are missing. There you go, then here's the squishiness. Next is kind of the same thing. It's Japanese or Chinese bread. Please tell me which one, because it has a little. And this is not defective whatsoever. Next is this bun. It's smiley face bun. That is chocolate scented. It doesn't smell like chocolate, but it a little bit does, but like really, really bad chocolate. So next is this steam bun. And this one is not defected. Oh no. And then this one, it's not connected. And this one does not have any defects. It is this chocolate part is not peeling off, so that's great. And this panda bun. This is so slow rising, you don't even know. And this is really inexpensive, and it doesn't get affected easily. And then, last but not least, is a girl panda bun with a bow. Like, when you even... These are so sticky. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and put those notifications bell on so you can check in whenever I have